Okay.
It's a Pillsbury Family Cookbook.
So we have the Pillsbury Family Cookbook. It looks like it was made in the 70s. What's the date here?
1963. Don't be tearing the pages.
I'm sorry, 1963.
1963.
Okay, Pillsbury Cookbook, 1963.
Okay. In here.
Look at the hairdos. You see
No.
that?
Yeah.
Look at them.
I like those actually.
Yeah, she's a good-looking gal right there. He looks like anybody else that does today.
Yep.
And she definitely looks like an old lady, right?
Looks like a grandma.
So yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Here's my thing. These books, it's not just a recipe
Can we
book.
mute that one? Can you mute that TV over there? Okay.
It's not just a recipe book. It's a breakdown of. I got my sandwich in my hand. Food groups, dairy groups, tells you how to buy food, how not to buy food.
Food groups like dairy.
Yep, dairy. It's it. Fats, oils, and sugars in
Okay.
here. Breaks it all down. You read it,
Okay.
and then it gives you meal planning,
Okay.
which is really cool. Surprisingly, what you can do for lunches, dinners. It has a whole breakdown.
Oh,
And then-
look at the shopping cart. It's not full of homeless people, but it could be.
Yeah. Now that one might hold
In
up
the
to
year
the homeless.
2025, that cart is going to be full of homeless people pushing their belongings down the road. It's not their fault. I'm not dogging them, but
Yes, you are.
but I'm not. No, but
No, I'm gonna tell you now. This cart would probably hold their crap.
Yeah,
but
well-
the new ones won't.
you see these lines right here?
Yeah.
This right here, the bottom line, that's $150. The bottom one is. So you're looking at $300 right here, $350 to fill this cart up. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Anyway, this tells you how to shop.
Okay. Okay.
What quality of food to go for. Tips on buying eggs.
Really?
Tips on tips on produce. Tips on poultry. Basically, buy food in season. There's a lot of that.
Okay.
Tips on meats. Pork.
Right. So you're gonna eat a certain food during a certain season,
Yes.
but you're gonna have a different type of food with different parts of the seasons when they're plentiful, I guess. Right.
Yes. It's when they come due. It's like cabbages. Cabbage is good in the fall.
Okay.
You don't get cabbage in spring. You get
Right.
cabbage in fall. And
Okay.
you know, that
And we
type
can
of-
make a bunch of stews with cabbages
Yeah.
and stuff like that, right?
it's winter food basically.
Okay.
Anything underground.
I
is-
love cabbage. It's great.
I love it.
Yeah.
Anything underground really is seasonal food. So anyway,
Okay.
company brunch.
Like even potatoes, right?
Yeah. They're
It's a
underground.
seasonal food. It's a seasonal product.
Yeah, like strawberries are only at the middle to beginning of summer. Strawberries, that type of thing.
That makes sense.
Anyway, then they have the gives you suggestions on what to have for like family get-togethers, and they have chilled tomato juice. Can you imagine somebody serving
Chilled?
somebody yes,
Chilled tomato juice.
chilled?
I don't know. It sounds pretty good.
Well, this is 2025.
Right.
Guess what? This is for family get-togethers, right? And it says give chilled
Okay.
tomato juice. Right?
Okay.
I have yet to see
No,
anybody at this
that's
point.
kind of cool. When you walk in, you get some chilled tomato juice instead of like a glass of like Chardonnay or something.
Yeah, deviled eggs on ham with
Deviled
zippy sauce.
eggs, I cannot not agree with.
Toasted English muffins, any little thing like that.
There you go.
It's for company. Anymore, it's like, here's your bag of chips. Yeah. Think about it.
Yeah. Okay.
Sunday chicken dinners.
No, this is great.
Oven fried chicken, chantilly potatoes.
Chantilly.
Yeah,
It
it's
sounds
a
nice.
type of potato.
Chantilly potatoes.
It's the way they're processed. It's the way they cook them.
Okay, wait a minute.
Chantilly potatoes. You want me to
How,
look them
how?
up?
Yeah, I want you to. I have no idea what it is.
Oh, look
I know.
up.
I know what mashed potatoes are.
Boiled potatoes. Mashed potatoes or boiled potatoes.
Yeah,
Okay, we'll look up chantilly potato.
let's do that real quick. Because I have no idea. It almost sounds like a nice aged wine.
Mm-hmm, no. And potatoes.
I know it is, but it's funny in hell, right? Let's go.
Okay, let's do the
Chantilly
different.
lace and a pretty face, a ponytail hanging down, a little walk and a little in the talk. What? With a lot in the talk, and then makes you like put a gag in their mouth.
A gag in it.
What? No, what? No.
Okay.
Sorry, just kidding.
I gotta find potatoes. Pies, P-O's. I have to know my alphabet to do that.
I know. I didn't graduate, but
Didn't matter.
I'm sure you can figure it out.
I got chop suey. Mock chicken legs. Now that one I'll have to read.
No, if you find something you want to read there, then let's do it. But
I'm looking up potatoes. Here we go. Potato pan burgers, balls, puff rolls, squares.
potato ball sounds awesome. No, it's not that I came out of the closet or anything like that. I just think potato balls sound great.
Okay, how about maybe, how are we going to look at this up? If it says Chantilly potatoes, it means that's how they're prepared.
Yeah, how's that? Chantilly potatoes.
Mash. There's Chantilly. 512.
No, you think that she's making this up, but she's not. And she just had her fingers done at the nail salon.
Yeah, right.
And her hair did it. But she knows how to cook.
Okay, Chantilly potatoes.
Okay, here we go.
Consists of 4 cups of mashed potatoes, melted butter, half a cup of milk, salt, pepper, heavy cream, and shredded cheddar cheese. So basically, a
Okay.
Chantilly potato is mashed potatoes with cheddar cheese.
I get that.
That's what that is.
So how you think you're putting it in a flat pan and putting the cheese on top and
Combine the
baking it?
mashed potatoes, butter, milk, seasoned salt and pepper, spoon into a 2-quart casserole. Whip cream until stiff. It's a real fluffy
Yeah.
potato.
Okay. Whip it up until it's
Yep.
like stiff.
Spread it over the potatoes and sprinkle with cheese. So
what
have
kind of cheese?
whipped cream over the potatoes. It said shredded cheddar.
Okay. Okay.
Bake at 450 for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Serve immediately.
That sounds fucking amazing for a family.
It sounds really fattening, but it
Well,
sounds
it
really
does. No,
good.
it sounds amazing for a family,
Okay,
right?
that's a
The-
Sunday chicken
what?
dinner.
Mom and Dad's been working all day,
Hot
and they-
biscuits and honey's bread.
and they come home.
Ooh, strawberry chiffon pie is awesome.
Well, the
This is a mother.
chiffon pie sounds great too.
This is a woman
Is
that
it
gets
fat?
yeah. This is a woman that gets to stay home for the most part and make this great meal.
I'm sure.
We're used to women
Well,
at this point in time.
The dad and the kids the kids went to school. The dad went to work all day, and mom got to make this. Besides, do everything else in the
Yep,
house,
exactly.
which is a full-time fucking job, right?
Yep, it is.
And then still make this in 1928.
63.
Okay, sorry, 1918.
1963.
1960. Okay, I get it.
Pillsbury.
No, that's freaking awesome.
So we have recipes. It's just giving you suggestions.
Give
on
me
what
some
to
of the
have.
fat stuff.
So here you have meat, you have potatoes, you have a vegetable, you have a fruit salad, you have some bread, you have chiffon pie. Everybody gets dessert.
Wow.
The meals were not.
How did
meant-
you just make that whole entire meal right
It
here?
sounded really good.
It did. And
My mother used to
you,
make the
you,
best.
you came
chicken.
up with it right out of the book, and I had no clue. If you made that right now, I would probably die of a heart attack because it is good. Right.
Yeah. The whole thing is the
And that, when we don't work as what we did
yeah.
as kids.
Something about this that people don't recognize or realize is this is a piece of chicken, potatoes, peas, fruit salad, biscuits, pie, coffee, milk. Right
Now, okay.
Now listen, the serving sizes were different. That's why that
okay,
sounds
okay.
like a
Listen,
whole lot.
listen. The serving sizes are different. And my question was to her was, does the chicken have the fucking? Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does the chicken have the skin on it, or is it skinless chicken.
It's
Either way, I suppose.
it's oven fried, which means you take the raw chicken, you roll it in the flour, and you fry it in the oven. So basically, it's baked fried chicken.
Well, that sounds good.
It really is. It's kind of like
Especially-
shake and bake.
I especially I think if it's up on a grill where all the fat can just like drop out of it instead
Yeah.
of sitting on a pan, drop some of that fat out of it. I love the way the skin and everything is
crunchy in the oven.
yeah is all crunchy and but you still get to drop some of the fat out of it and to make a good
Whole thing comes down to
have a
this.
fried chicken meal.
This is supposed to be, I don't know for how many people, but probably a minimum of 4, maximum 6. Chicken cut up is 8 pieces. So I would say you have 1 piece of chicken, 1 scoop of potatoes. Everything is a smaller size. Right now, you have a meal that consists of 1 whole chicken on a plate
Right.
with a,
Everybody get your piece of it.
yeah. And the thing is, the proportions are different. The plates were smaller, the proportions are different, and that's the only thing that's not in here. That's when this was a meal for like 6 people.
Yeah. Okay. And it sounds good. Like
And a pie cut in
Nearly
6
3
pieces,
today.
you know, whatever. And so, teen committee meats, cheese and wiener crescents,
okay.
brownies.
What do you think about this meal right here? What would you say is the best parts of this meal? And
I'm a meat person.
obviously, yes.
I'm a meat person. And the only thing that sounds, the strawberry chiffon pie, now that sounds pretty stinking awesome.
We good, but we got a certain amount of time to do this, so we can't continue to go on right now. But if there's anybody else that would like to see more, let me know, and we'll post another video of what we think that would be a great meal for a family right now. Thanks for watching.
Now there's a cabbage and carrot salad. Bread and butter. Heaven forbid anybody should just be fed bread and butter. But anyway.